Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and as you know, I don't do a lot of product reviews for products that we don't carry, but I had a lady contact me about these pens, and I think the name of the company is Parkoo, P-A-R-K-O-O. She asked could I check out these pens and do a product review on them, and I said sure, I can do that, but my requirement is that you send 2 sets of these pens for me to give away in my video. So she agreed to that. So we have 2 sets of pens that we'll be giving away to 2 lucky winners. All you have to do is leave a comment below on this video letting me know why you would love these pens and what you plan on doing with them. Now, these are special gel pens. They're not your normal ordinary gel pen. First off, they're 0.7 millimeters. They're erasable gel pens, and the erasable is with no mess, and I will show you that in just a minute. Clean erasing, smooth writing. I'm going to read a little bit of this on the back so that I don't get this wrong. I've tried to use these for a few days and check them out. It's erasable gel pen. The brand is Parkoo. Colors blue, black, red, green, purple, and pink. Write, remove, rewrite without damaging documents. New thermosensitive gel ink that disappears with friction using the rubber tail tip on the pen with no residue and no tearing of paper. Smooth writing gel ink, water-based, non-toxic, acid-free, and non-bleeding. Now what they're talking about, this rubber tip, is this right here. See that? This will not wear down. It's a friction type tip. So you get these 6 pens in your set, and I'm going to use this red one. Hopefully you can see it better. This is just a normal book, normal piece of paper, and I'm going to write on it. You see how smooth that writes? Now we're going to use the black one too because that red didn't show up that great. Okay, so you see how smooth it wrote. Now what we're going to do is take the tip here, and we're just going to erase this. Watch how easily this goes away. It doesn't leave like a residue that you have to brush off. There's nothing there. You know, I do this, but there's nothing there to brush it away. That's just from habit. So you can see that. My last name is gone. Now I'm going to show you something else. You take your heat tool. Now it's going to be a little loud, so you might want to turn down your sound, but I'm going to use this one instead of my Tim Holtz because this one is actually plugged in and I don't want to fight with plugging the other one in. So you can turn your sound down and just watch if you want to. This is just a regular heat tool. Did you see that? It is all gone. That's just with a little bit of heat. But now we're going to take this. This is just a little ice pack that I keep in my freezer to put in lunch bags and that kind of thing. We're going to take this and set it back under here. Now you can also take this to the freezer and just pop it in there and it'll reappear. This has to get kind of cold, so I'm trying to press it on here. Hopefully this will get it cold enough. Let's lay it on top. Whoops, it's sticking to my paper. Let's lay it on top and just rub it around. Let's leave it there for just a second. Now, the thing is, I have no clue. You can't use these pens to sign legal documents and that kind of thing, of course, because somebody could actually erase it or it could disappear if it got hot. So don't do that. But I can see them being very interesting to play around with and to pull jokes on your neighbors and things like that with. And they do write on different papers very, very well. They are a gel pen, so that is a good thing. Let's see. It's going to take it just a little bit for this to get cold enough because I don't want to run and put it in my freezer. But you can see the name here is already starting to reappear. It has to get to a certain degree, and I think, let's see, if pen is exposed to extreme temperature, -10 Celsius or over 60 Celsius, the ink will disappear. Let's see, to restore color, cool it to at least -10 Celsius in the freezer and ink will reappear. So it's going to take a little bit because you actually should put this in the freezer. You can use the hair dryer to make the color disappear, coloring on fabric, products, or wallpaper, etc. It has passed the test of the EN 719, that kind of thing. Not recommended for signature, examination papers, or official documents. So this is not something that you want to take in your purse to sign legal documents and that kind of thing. This is something that you want to do for any of those other little things. We had a lot of fun playing around with them. We let everybody sign the paper. I said, just pick your color and sign the paper, and they signed it, and then I took my heat tool and made them disappear, and then I went, why didn't you sign your name? And they said, we did. We signed our name. So that was fun. And then we put the little pad in the freezer, and it all came back. So, but without having to go to the freezer, you can see that it is reappearing. Like I said, I don't want to have to get up and go to my freezer and put this in there and have you wait. But you can see that it will reappear. We're just going to let that sit there for a little while longer. Now, like I said, all you need to do to win a set of these pens, I have 2 sets to give away to some of you lucky people. All you need to do is leave a comment below letting me know something really funny that you would do with these pens if you got these sets. And we will draw 2 winners probably, I'll give you till Memorial Day. We'll draw 2 winners on Memorial Day, and we will send these out to those 2 lucky winners. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to go over and check out Parco. I will put that link below as well as right here on the screen. So go over and check them out and see what they have. They have larger sets than just these 6 pens, so go over and check them out. We'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.